Hey crypto warriors, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor. So let's start. Alright, in this video I'll discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like anything. Hope you guys give your valuable times. Now, as you can see, the website interface in my screen now and the project name is Nojiko. So welcome to Nojiko app, and in this video we are going to look Nojiko, like everything about this project. Welcome to Nojiko. Basically it's based on a Japanese meme. Like the project was born to combine with both chains of cryptocurrency and enemy as a two-in-one community. Nojiko token is named after the popular Japanese anime meme Nojiko, which has been many production on Netflix and other video outlets. Like you can see that the idea is produce a Nojiko ecosystem that encompasses all utilities to all-in-one trading platform. This project is built on ERC20 and BSC chain, like Binance Smart Chain, and you will get both of content address in the website, so you can check it out for yourself. Their buy and sell tax, which is 3%, which is also amazing, and as a Memecoin project, it's okay. Also guys, you will get the Telegram and their whatever community. So if you need more information about this project, so you need to read their white paper for all information. About Nojiko itself, basically what is Nojiko? Aside from Nojiko being an enemy-based token, the ecosystem is built with unique, innovative and sustainable utilities that are beneficial to all and sustainable utilities that are beneficial to all cryptocurrency investors. The utilities serve to e-commerce, like encompass all the blockchain in crypto space, especially with the development of Nojiko cross-chain bridge. Here you can see their total supply, which is like you can see, and guys, you will get their Nojiko ERC20 swap and Nojiko BSC swap. So their interface, like if you see, like it's also amazing. Like here you can see, and they are obviously they have a BSC swap also. Like you can take it out from yourself. Now let's see and let's know about their roadmap. Like here you can see the roadmap information, like the token creation. Now it's done, I think, and now they are on social media website building, like BSC Nojiko swap, ERC20 Nojiko swap, cross-chain bridge, and many more. After, like we are now pre-sale, like the pre-sale which is on coming on pink sale, like meme host a pre-sale funding campaign on pink sale to raise liquidity for Nojiko and plan ahead forwards their goals. Token launch, you can see analytic creations, stacking codes and community rewards. Obviously guys, here you can see the swap interface, which is the ERC20 swap, which is really amazing, and you can also use it for swap. The tokenomics, like pre-sale, which will be 33%, their initial burn 41%. You can see something about their all function, like their liquidity pool, centralized exchange plus rewards stacking also. Like you can see every information in there, like by percentage. What is like join their community, like you will get the Telegram community. So if you have any question about with their team and you want to talk with them, so you can join the Telegram community to get all information about this project. Guys, here you will get a guide how you can buy these tokens, like you will get a video, so you can check it out for yourself, and you can see their live chart, which is now not available because it's not launched yet. After the pre-sale or fair launch, it will launch, then you can check it out the chart and everything what you need, you can check it out for yourself. And they are partners as normal, like CoinScope, CFT, Ninja, BSS, Terenisa, Things and Dice Rule, and something more like PancakeSwap. It's actually normal. And at the last moment, you will get their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and their YouTube video links, like you can see. Now let's read their white paper for all information. You can see, like they have nothing much information in their white paper. Like what we get in their website, you will get all information like in the white paper. That's what you need. Like you can read it as like you will get the staking codes, like community rewards, like the future plans, token launch, pre-sale, and this information you will get in their website, so you can check it out for yourself. Now guys, let's check it out their launch, which is upcoming on pink sale. Like you can see the presale will start after 2 days, and you will get their introduction about this project in the presale information, like what is Nojiko swap. Like Nojiko swap is named after the popular Japanese meme like Nojiko, seen on many videos out there and many more like blah blah something you can see. And you will get some information about their taxes, their marketings, and many more like centralized exchange listings, also like huge marketing plans and many more. Also, you will get their tokenomics, like you can see that like their presale address, their token name, their symbol, their declaims address, the new supply, their presale started in time, and their liquidity lock of time, and many more what it is. Now let's check it out their Twitter profile. Like you can see the Twitter profile. Now they have only 295 followers in the Twitter. So obviously we are still in early and they are not started their marketing yet. But obviously this is that they will start their marketing because according if they are already according their roadmap. And in the roadmap you can see like they are just after before lunch they will start marketing. I hope that they will already start their marketing. Like I saw in the Telegram community like they are just posted by some small channels. Also guys, you can see something about they are like the team is really active now, like you can see everything in there, which is also amazing, like you can see. So about investment as an Memecoin project, I think you can invest your $10 in there because I believe that we can see another Memecoin season in like in December or like November and December, or we can see another Memecoin season. Who knows that this project also give us 100x profit, so you can invest your $5 to $10 in there. Like you can support this project from its early stage, like in the fair launch. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join the Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more Twitter project. Peace.